Hello, welcome to my wellness and health coaching course. My name is Jess Kloosterman from jessklosterman.com. I'm also a certified health coach and an author for Healthy, Delicious Asian Cuisine Simplified. Well, I wanted to personally thank you for everybody who signed up for this wellness course. I'm so excited to work with all of you, and I'm very sure that you will take home a lot of valuable knowledge and practical approach to work towards your wellness goals. So I wanted to actually talk about a little bit about my journey. Growing up in Hong Kong, I was always eating healthy. I was, eating right. When I come to the U.S. Towards, a few years ago back, I was, having my own logistic company. I was working many hours. I was so stressed. I wasn't taking care of my health. I was always in my office, always eating junk, not exercising, only working and stressing out myself. So my health was going downhill. I was having all kinds of problems, just like everybody, like high blood pressure. I gained tons of weight by not caring what I eat, and I don't exercise, so I have a lot of anxiety issues, whole nine yard. I remember one night I lay down on the bed and all of a sudden I told myself, no, this has got to stop. This is not what I wanted. And I still have, I'm still pretty young. I still have, many years ahead of me. So I decided to, do all kinds of research. I decided to focus on my health and also learn a system of, how to make our life sustainable in a healthy way. Since then, I've turned my life around. I lost tons of weight. I felt much better. I'm back to eating, clean food. I'm back to cooking more. I'm exercising a lot. So my state of being is, pretty good right now. So because of that, I wanted to also share what I learned to all of you who are in need of, turn things around or trying to sustain what your healthy being now, or trying to learn a little bit more about how our health works, how our body works, and how to improve even more. Or if you wanted to just lose a few pounds here and there, or shed some weight, I'm here to help. I will be your coach. I will be working with you hand in hand, cheering you on, or solve any problems, or you answer all your questions that you have. I'll be always with your biggest cheerleader. I also wanted to talk a little bit about about this course and what I offer in conjunction with it. This course, we're going to dive into a lot of theories, how our body works, how everything comes together. Why do we have to change the way we do things? Why do we have to exercise? It will be in depth. You will understand a lot better at the end of the course why we have to change things to have a much better quality of life. Where my role is, I'm also going to offer another mini class. It's an Asian wellness cooking class. During this class, you're going to learn about all the Asian way of eating, how to make healthy, authentic, and delicious Asian dishes. We're going to be working, in a one-on-one or 1 to 5 setting in, whether it's Skype or FaceTime sessions. So you can learn all the basic ingredient, all the basic technique about how to make Asian food and how to make your family like eating vegetables. That, especially for kids, how to make kids eat like vegetables and how to make everything taste better, so then they'll eat more. But don't worry if you have not signed up for my cooking class. I actually have already inserted a link into this email. So if you haven't signed up for my cooking class, you can sign up now, and you can enroll even either the current course or the course for the next time. So I look forward to seeing everybody who signed up for the class in conjunction with this online e-learning class. And I also want to talk to you about a little bit about the class structure. I know that you're all very excited to start the class and you can't wait to start. Me too, I can't wait to work with you all. There are 10 sessions of this class, And each sessions, there are 3 little subsessions. So the first subsession is the e-workshop learning segment, which means that you're going to see a series of videos and learning about the technical part about how our body works, how everything, what we can't see inside our body, how everything works together. And that's the first subsession. The second subsession is our discussion forum, where everybody will be given a questions and you'll be typing in online your answer. And in your whole class, you can interact with each other's posts, you can comment on each other's posts, and I will also jump in to help answer any of the questions that you have in the discussion forum. And the last little subsession will be the quiz, a little quiz for your session. Don't worry, this is just a quiz to have you understand what you just learned. If you don't get 100% or if you miss a few, that's okay. You can keep taking the quiz until you get to the point where you're okay with it. Besides these 10 sessions, each session I'm going to have a phone meeting, a phone session with all of you in my class. We'll be on the phone together, or we're going to do Skype together, and I will be answer any of your questions that you have or concern that you have, and brainstorming together. That will be our weekly phone sessions. And before each session starts, you will also receive an email from me, which talks about a little bit of a preface about each session. So you won't be leaving like, what is this session all about? I'll have you covered, no worries. For whoever that cannot attend the session, it's fine. You can also email me or call me or text me if there's any emergencies. Or you can find me on all type of social medias. I'm on Facebook group called Jess Kloosterman, and I'm also on Instagram, Wellness with Jess Kloosterman, or my YouTube channel, which I will have a link in this email as well. Inside of my channel, you would see different videos, the cooking videos that you can learn. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my channel so that you don't miss out for the next videos. Now, last but not least, at the end of the 10th session, after you complete everything, I'm going to send out another email to you and let you know my secret weapon. What, on top of eating clean, diet, exercising, de-stressing, what else, what other ways you can actually improve your health? Well, I'm going to share with you my little secret weapon about what other things that I do, what other system I use to make me look and feel a lot better than I started this journey. So don't miss out on that email. I will remind you again. Again, thank you so much for signing up for this class. I'm so excited to work with you in the upcoming weeks, and I can't wait to dive in and learn, get to know each one of you and learn everything that, it's in the health and wellness industry. So until the next phone call or videos, I will talk to you then. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.